How to view when your account was created on X. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search x.com and log into your account. After you're in your account, on the left side, click on three dots. After you've clicked on three dots on the left side, click on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. After you click on Settings and Privacy at the bottom, click on Account Information in here. After you click on Account Information, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, at the bottom, you will find Account Creation option. As you can see, mine was January 27, 2025. And this is how to view when your account was created on X. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.